Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena, and today we are doing a review on the new Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh my gosh, I was literally so ready when I seen this palette on social media. I just love Aina because she's just someone I look up towards, and she is freaking hilarious. So when I seen she collabed with Anastasia Beverly Hills, your girl was over here too lit, and I knew I had to purchase right away. So I did. So I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on this palette as well as giving you my thoughts. So if you want to see everything, if you want to know my opinion on this palette, then make sure to keep on watching. And of course, we got to start out our intro just like Auntie Jackie would like us to. So Jacka, 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 yes. So let's go ahead and get right into the review.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
So today's video I'm really excited about because we are using the new Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration palette, and I'm super stoked about this palette. I actually really loved all the colors in it. Honestly, she is such a big role model for me and so many other people. So yes, I'm really excited because honey, Jackie has been having a wonderful month, honey. It's been her birthday, honey. She got proposed to, and then she got a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, honey, can we talk about goals? Like, she definitely has got it going on, and a lot of things is falling in her place right now. And I am just really excited to get this palette on my eyes and use these colors because they are definitely screaming my name. So honey, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so here is the palette, and she is gorgeous. Definitely giving me Jackie feels right here. As you can see, the packaging has the iridescence like crocodile print on it. I'm not really sure, but you can also see Jackie's little logo that I think Dennis made for her, which is so cute, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills logo. And yes, this palette did retail for $45, and I picked mine up at Sephora, but I think it's also available at Ulta and of course on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. Okay, so when you open up the palette, this is what it looks like. And y'all, the colors in this are gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty in person. Like, honey, Jackie really did this because it's like neutrals over here. It's like pinks and purples. It's pops of color. Is you got your bling shimmer shades. Like, I really think it's a good variety of different colors in here, and I love the color scheme of this palette. Like, I really think this is going to be a really good palette to use for different looks. And y'all, I cannot get over the freaking names in this palette, like Dollars and Zim and Big Wig. As y'all know, Jackie be wearing the nice, beautiful, colorful wigs. We got Sponsored, we got Edges. Y'all know that's her code for everything. I love the names and everything. I feel like it's very fitting for all the colors. And let's go ahead and just get this junk on our eyes, y'all, because I'm ready to see how these are going to blend, if they're going to be pigmented, if they're going to hold up to everything that Aina is claiming. So let's go ahead and get to blending. Okay, so I'm not really sure what kind of look I want to do with this palette. Like, it's so many things in here that I want to put on my eyes. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the shade Supreme, which is this pink shade, and applying that in my crease. And I'm gonna take that on a JH36 brush from the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe collection, and we're just gonna blend that in the crease. Ooh. Yes, this color is so pretty, and as you can see, it is definitely pigmented and is blending well so far. So I definitely want to make sure with this palette that we're not going to get that patchy thing, or where the shadow is like darkening while you're blending it in with the other shadow, because I feel like that's a thing that definitely happens with some of the Anastasia palettes that's kind of hit or miss. But so far, This is Supreme and she is looking very, very pretty. Let's take the shade right here, Pinker, and apply that deeper in the crease. And I'm going to take the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush and apply Pinker. So far I'm not having any problem with blending this shade into Supreme. I feel like they pair very, very nicely to each other. And I like how much depth that it is giving in the crease. So I'm really, really liking that. So y'all, it's literally like Saturday night at like 11 p.m. and I'm literally filming this video talking about dedication, but I really wanted to play with this palette. It was literally just calling my name, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna sit down and just film this because I want to see what all the hype is about. I've seen so many pretty looks with this palette and I just wanted to be able to use it, and so far it is looking very, very pretty. And I was really happy that Jackie decided to come out with an eyeshadow palette because I feel like there has definitely been a lot of complexion products coming out lately and not a lot of eyeshadow palettes or collaborations with eyeshadow palettes. So that was really exciting because I was like, I need some more eyeshadow. Like, you know, like sometimes you be getting tired of wearing the same eyeshadow palettes all the time. And when I seen this, I was like, yes, finally somebody coming out with an eyeshadow palette, and it being a collaboration was even better. So now I'm going to take the shade Credit, which is this brown shade right here, and I'm going to add that to the outer crease. Ooh, Credit is a really nice brown to be adding in the outer V right here. It's definitely giving us that depth and dimension that we want, and it's very, very nice brown shade. So far I'm really liking how Credit is blending out in the outer V. I feel like it's definitely marinating with Pinker and Supreme. Like, I just feel like they flow really nicely, and I think when you look at this palette you don't really know if the shade will flow really good, but I feel like so far I'm really impressed with how all of these colors are definitely complementing each other. So let me go ahead and go get something to cut the crease because your girl done left it on her vanity over there. So now I gotta get up. That is so annoying. I hate when I have to get up during filming, but I'll be right back. So now I'm going to take the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush and I'm going to cut my crease. Love this brush so much, and I'm going to take it with some concealer. Okay, so I got the creases cut and everything, so let's go ahead and blend out the outer V with that shade Credit again, just to make sure that the blend is seamless. Okay, so now for lid shades. We got a lot of options going on in this palette. So I think I'm going to try to use as many shades as possible to get on our lid, just so we can get a feel for a little bit of every shimmer shade. So I'm really about to be doing the most and being extra, because how can we not be extra when we're using a Jackie Aina palette? She is the queen of extraness. So we definitely about to use as many shades as possible. I feel like I am feeling this little corner right here. I think I'm going to take all three of these shades and apply them to my little cut crease. The first shade we're going to be taking is Soleil, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to take that with a Jaclyn Hill x Morphe brush, the JH41, a little packer brush. And we're going to pack Soleil on our lid and see how the shimmers are turning out. And we're just going to pack. Oh, you guys. She is pigmented. Wow, this is so pretty. This is finna be a look, y'all. This is finna be a look. Like, we about to go ahead and document this, because this, oh my God, like this shimmer. Why is it going on so good? I am so shook. Can y'all see this? Honey, Jackie, I'm gonna need you to make some more palettes because this is too pretty. So now the next shade I'm gonna take is this sparkly rose gold shade right here, Zim. That's the name of it, y'all. And I'm gonna pack that on right beside Soleil. I'm really excited to see how this is going to apply, just because looking at it, it's definitely more of a chunkier, glittery formula than Soleil. So I want to see how this is going to apply. Wow. Oh. Ooh. So that is Zim right there, right beside Soleil. And she a bad bitch. Zim is a bad bitch, y'all. She is so pretty. She is literally a true rose gold. She is applying pigmentedly. Like, I definitely do not feel like I need to spray my brush. Like, the formula just seems so creamy and it's just gliding on. Like, this just looks like liquid rose gold going on my eyes. I'm actually over here debating, trying to figure out if I should keep the eye look like this. But I think I'm going to take it one step further. And we're going to go in with Wigglies, honey. Wigglies. This red shade right here. And we're going to pop her right after Zim so it blends in with Credit. Like, I think that's going to be the look right here. And I actually really love red eyeshadow, so I'm really glad she put like a shimmery red in here, because I feel like you really don't see that in eyeshadow palettes. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead. We're going to press her right next to Credit. Oh, she is pigmented, you guys. Oh my god, I love this red shade too. Like, I love everything. And don't worry, you're gonna make sure it's blended. So right now it looks kind of crazy. We're just kind of placing her right now. Oh my god, so far I am in love with these shades. Like, can you guys see this eye look? It is looking so extra and just beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my base makeup, and then we'll come back on and do the lower lash line, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts on the new Jackie Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so we are back. I got my lashes on, got my base on, everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. I think I'm going to take the shade Supreme right here, and we're gonna just go ahead and buff out that lower lash line and blend her underneath. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. I'm literally using the whole collection, and that is what I'm going to blend Supreme out with. So we're gonna go ahead and just blend her right up under here and start buffing her out to the outer edge. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Credit, and we're just going to apply that just to the outer part of the lower lash line. Just right in that area. This eye look, you guys, oh my gosh, definitely a favorite eye look I have done in a while. It just looks so freaking pretty, and I'm so mad I'm not going somewhere. Like, it's always the times that you know you're not going nowhere when your makeup turns out bomb, y'all. I'm so hurt. I'm definitely gonna have to recreate this look for when I'm going out. I'm taking an Instagram picture, because this look is looking so cute. And definitely make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I post all of my fashion pictures, all of my makeup pictures, and I know for a fact I'm going to be posting a picture of this makeup on my Instagram. So definitely make sure you go over there and follow me. Your girl be posting some heat, and I'm definitely going to be posting a bomb picture on this look, and y'all gotta come over there and support your girl. You know, you're gonna have to come over there and hype your girl up on the ground and stuff. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Oh, we need to add an inner corner highlight. How did I forget that, girl? I think I'm gonna take Trust Issues right in here. I know it looks kind of scary, right here, but I think this is going to be cute and is going to set the look off. And I'm taking that on a JH40 brush from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. Oh yes, that is a really pretty, do y'all see that? Boy, she is blinding. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, do my lips and everything, and then I'll be back to give you the final thoughts on the new Jackie Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finished eye look, and I am loving it, you guys. It is so pretty. Let me come up so you guys can see. So for me with this palette, everything blended very nicely, and I felt like all the colors in the palette that I used definitely complemented each other. So that's definitely something that I like about this palette, is that even though you initially look at it and you're not really sure how all these colors will fit, they definitely have a place with each other, and I really like that. I didn't get any issues with the blending, with it being patchy, with it doing that darkening junk that sometimes Anastasia shadows do. Did not have any issues with that. The colors were very pigmented, like beyond my expectations. Like I said, they do have a little bit of kick up when you tap into the shade, but that's not an issue for me whatsoever. I think all you have to do is just get your brush, dust it off, and apply it on. So overall, I really like this palette. Like, I think that Jackie did a wonderful job with the color scheme, with how pigmented the shades are, both matte and shimmer. I think this palette was exactly what Jackie wanted it to be, and especially for women of color, because sometimes it can be hard to use shades from palettes because some of the shades are ashy, or they're not, blending right, or they're not going well on our skin tone just because it is a little bit more pigmented than others. This is a palette that everyone can use because it's going to cater everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little eye tutorial and video on the new Jackie Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I am obsessed with this palette, y'all. It is so freaking bomb. Like, Jackie really came through. Like, honey, we already knew she was gonna come through, but definitely she did the thing with this palette, and I am loving it. Definitely let me know if you guys picked this up, or if you have already picked this up and tried out this palette. I would love to know that in the comments, as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button, honey. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. My next video is going to be a huge try on clothing haul, you guys. I'm going to be showing Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, Rebellious Fashion, and House of CB all in a haul. So definitely make sure you got your post notifications on, because you do not want to miss that. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for all the love and support you show me on all my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.